Alright, so I'm going to show you in this video how to work with files in brackets. It should be a short video, nice and short. Alright, so let's see. So here we have brackets open, and I am currently in the web design folder. So just remember, you can go to File, Open Folder, and then select the folder you want to open. So let's pretend I'm making a new project. Let's start off by right-clicking over here, New Folder, Project, let's just call it Product 99. And then, so we're only working with Product 99, I'm just going to go File, Open Folder, Product 99, select. So the only thing that's going to show up on the left-hand side are all the files in Product 99. Okay. So let's create a file. So File, New. That creates a file, and it automatically calls it like untitled-1. So we want to name it, what we want to name it. So we go to File, click Save, maybe Save As, either one, and we're going to save it as index.html. Whenever we're making a home page for a folder or a website or whatever, we always name it index. And I'll explain it to why later. Just remember, home page is index.html. Alright, so here it is. Let me quickly type up a web page. Alright, so here is our web page. It's a really small one. If you don't know what everything does here, don't worry about it. So I'm going to save it. Save. And then we are going to preview it in a browser. So we're going to click on this live preview. And here it is. This is the preview. I'm going to put these side by side so you can see. Files are great. Okay. Anyway, so this is our first web page, the home page. All right. So let's say we want to make another web page. Go back up here, File, and New. And now we have this new page. Let's say we want to name it something else. So we do File, Save, and I don't know. Let's just call it sports.html. And let's just pretend we're going to make a web page about sports. Save. So now we have two HTML files inside Product 99. Now, when you guys are making files, like HTML files, don't type the same things over and over and over again. That's not smart. What you want to do is make sure something is done perfect once, copy and paste it, and then make changes. So I'm going to go back to index.html. This page is already done. I will copy it. I will go back to sports. I will paste. And I will just make whatever changes I need. So the title will not be files anymore. Sports. And then I'll change this to sports rule, and sports is great. Sports is great. Sports are great. I don't know. Sports are great. I guess that's good. Alright, so these are your two pages. And you can, up here where it says working files, you can flip between them. Whichever one's open, you can do File Save to save it, or Control S will also save it. You can also do, notice that so we just saved index.html, right? So you don't see like a little dot next to it like you do sports. If I made a change here and said, files, etc., a little dot comes up next to index.html. Then if I hit like Control S, that saves it. If I go down here and I hit Control S, that saves it. You can come up here and do File, you can click Save All, and that would save both of them. Alright, so those are the two pages. We have the home page and we have the sports page. And one more thing to show you when you're working with files. This guy here. You can split the editor into two panes. Like you could vertically or horizontally. And what you can do is open up two files at the same time. So if I go down here and I click on this, and I click on index, oh, it's up here. Come on, why aren't you working? Open a file when this pane has focus. Oh, there we go. All right. So right now they both have the home page open. So I'm going to put sports on this side. Let me max it out. So sports is over on the right. I was trying to click up here. So it's down here, you got to click. So let's say we want sports in this pane. So you click in this pane somewhere, click on sports. Click over here, home page. We want to switch them around. Click over here, click on a home page. Click over here, click on sports. All right, and it shows you what's on the right and what's on the left. Okay. All right. You can put them both on one side and flip between them. Or same over here. All right, so those are how you work with files. You could also flip it so that they're horizontal, whichever way you like. Or you could go back to being just one file at a time. And then you just have flip between them up here. All right, so those are files. That's it.